Thank you for joining me today. My name is Eitan Fire. I will be graduating from the front-end web development class, and this is my honors project. I hope you enjoy checking it out. During the week, I am a high school teacher, and so it was very useful for me to make a class website where students could quickly and easily find all the info they needed to be successful in class. Let me show you how I built it. So this is built in various technologies, including React, Bootstrap, and I learned a ton about CSS even building this thing. And so uh, take a look at this kind of groovy rainbow paisley background here. As I move it, I attach the background, and so it hopefully creates kind of a cool parallax effect here. And I use that also here for the text where I say, "Hi, I'm Eitan." It changes as well. And it even changes on the border there. So kind of fun, kind of interesting. You can see just now when I reloaded it, some animations. And so this is using React Spring, which we learned all about in our React module. I also made the screen size responsive using breakpoints. And so if you look at the accordion here, as I make the screen smaller, the pictures become rocket ships, which if you click, become planets. And if you make smaller, it stacks to be optimized for a mobile phone. Using CSS also, you can see over the accordion that paisley comes back that image. And then if you directly click these little emoji icons, they show up. Kind of fun. Also fun, I use CSS animations for this little globe here. It goes from gray and small to big and colorful. And I have a little pie that goes from gray and small to big and colorful as well. So that's kind of fun. I uh, let's see, my students already use something called Google Classroom. And so I added the links there since I was primarily looking at the front end. And so this will take them to their own Google Classroom page where they can find all the assignments that they need for class. If I assign anything, that assignment will automatically be added to this calendar for them. This calendar also has all the important info that they need for school. And so I encourage them to click the plus sign and then they have it. And it's always good to just help keep them organized so that they're more successful in class. By the way, notice these buttons get change as you click them, or this active button is grayed out already. That's using CSS as well. Super fun. You can see that I have what I called a time component in my program here. So I learned how to pull time uh, information off the internet and use it. And so it changes for every day. Today is Monday and it'll change tomorrow. Also, our school goes between A days and B days. We use a block schedule here. And so that will change as well, whether it's an A day or B day. And if it's a weekend, I just have it say things like it's a fabulous day or it's an awesome day. Kind of fun. I also dynamically rendered this year here, 2023, so I didn't have to stay up on New Year's Eve and change the year. And then even over here, I dynamically rendered the number of years I taught as 13 years. And so I that automatically incremented up to 13 after the New Year's. So that's kind of fun too. I was able to automate that. I really enjoyed that. Let's see, what else can I show you? Um, so I actually did buy the domain and I have it hosted. So at Eitan's website, you can find the website. One challenge I encountered here is because React is a single page application, I was using HostGator and they have a shared server. And so there was an issue where if I clicked the contact page or the read about me page and then went back, I would get an error message. And so I had to actually do just a little bit of learning about their server, which is an Apache server, and I had to um, fix that error here. So that was a really interesting kind of authentic challenge for me. Hey, it was a blast to build this page. I learned so much, and I hope you had fun hearing all about it as well. Thanks for your time.